There's a spark inside all of us. Maybe you discovered it when you built your first sandcastle, when you took apart that dirt bike and put it back together. Or maybe it was when you got that old boat running again. We all grow up with a desire, no, a need to be creative, to explore, to take risks. Then the world tells you to follow a certain path, but you want to take a hard left. The workforce in the world needs more skilled workers and tradespeople who can think and work through their hands. More creative problem solvers, more craftspeople, more technicians, more makers. Often, this requires you to choose between pursuing what you're passionate about and working towards a successful and fulfilling career. At IYRS, you'll never have to choose. So, go ahead, turn over that diesel engine. Sketch an idea, and then bring that idea to life. Build with some of the lightest, strongest materials known to the human race. Steam bend a solid piece of wood like some sort of magician. Because when you harness the power of both your hands and your head, you float. You rev. You invent. You make waves. And that spark inside you ignites at IYRS.